This is the meal that I have cooked. The samosas, pancakes, cakes, and dessert. Custard sevai. Custard sabudana flavor, raspberry dessert. Raspberry flavor custard dessert. This is I have made. Pancake cum tea cake and this samosas. Peanut samosas, potato samosas. प्यार प्यार करते करते तुम पे मरते मरते दिल दे दिया, हाँ दिल दे दिया, हाँ हाँ हाँ। प्यार प्यार करते करते तुम पे मरते मरते दिल दे दिया, हाँ दिल दे दिया, हाँ हाँ हाँ। वी पापा परप्पा, वी पापा परप्पा, वी पापा परप्पा पापा, वी पापा परप्पा, वी पापा परप्पा, वी पापा परप्पा पापा। प्यार प्यार करते करते तुम पे मरते मरते दिल दे दिया, हाँ दिल दे दिया, हाँ हाँ हाँ। वी बाबा परप्पा, वी बाबा परप्पा, वी पापा परप्पा पापा, वी ना 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 ना। सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा। मैं ठहरा रहा ज़मीं चलने लगी, मैं ठहरा रहा ज़मीं चलने लगी, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है। सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा। मैं ठहरी रही ज़मीं चलने लगी, धड़का है धड़का है दिल सांस चलने लगी। क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है। सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा। मैं ठहरी रही ज़मीं चलने लगी, धड़का है सांस चलने लगी। क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है। काम नहीं आता है, काम नहीं आता है तो सीखो ना, सीखते क्यों नहीं हो काम। इतना ताव में क्या रहते हो, इतना अकड़ में क्या रहते हो? काम नहीं आता है इनको, अकड़ बहुत है। हमको तो कुछ पता नहीं था हो क्या रहा है, हमको कुछ नहीं मालूम था क्या हो रहा है. I did not know what was happening all around me all these years. But then I came to know, bit by bit, step by step, gradually I came to know what's going on. I did not know anything what was going on in my life. And these people have tried to take my full advantage, full. Whatever, insult they could have done, they are doing, they're trying to do, are doing, they aren't capable to do that. If you don't know how to work, learn how to work. Learn from people. Learn from people what they say. If they don't like you, just change yourself. No, we will not change. We will not change. I'm not going to change. अभी इधर से डेथ हो गया, सामने से दिखाएगा ऐसे एक्सीडेंट हो गया, जैसे एक्सीडेंट गोइंग ऑन इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, दे शो यू आर डेड, you are dead, you are dead. Yes, I am dead. It's furious when I look around and see my father. It's furious. I feel really not scared. I'm never scared actually. I'm never actually scared after I came to know about all my truths. I'm not scared anymore, but I'm feeling so disgusting. I see my father around. Do you think this is true? This is possible? You liars, you're a bloody bugger liar. You're a cheat. You're a cheat. Trust me, you're a cheat. You people always try to cheat other people, just trying to portray their accidents going on. This accident is going on. This accident is happening. Oh, this accident is happening this way. They looked at it. This accident is looking at you. Take it. Just look at it. It's happening with you. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is how they portray, these media people. This is the accident that took place. You are dead. Trust me. I would like to die myself. I would like to suicide. I would like to die before I see my father going through all this nonsense. You are a bloody bastard. You understand that? Because you're trying to demean me, my family members, our children, my child. What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? You're a bloody asshole moron. You're morons. Trust me on this. Morons. You're morons, bastards. We aren't doing this. You have scared people. You scared shit out of them. You have done it. Do you think I've done it? If we are trying to do some tests, you're doing tests. We are taking guinea pigs to the labs, or the guinea pigs are meant to be dissected and be tested, or frogs, or cockroaches, or insects. No, you don't. You can't do this. You can't take the guinea pigs in. You can't take the rats in. You can't take the insects in. You can't take the cockroaches in. You can't do that. They are your children. How can you dissect them? You cannot do that. You just cannot do that. And they all become all Mahatma Gandhi Andolankari. They just try to stop you from doing anything. They want everything to be very hunky-dory, very sweet, very nice, or all the time very happening, very beautiful things happening, very tasty things happening. This is not possible. No, you cannot do the dissection on labs. You cannot dissect dead people and teach your medical students. This is against our religion. This is what they're trying to portray. You are following our religion app. Why should I follow your religion? Bloody asshole. Why should I follow your religion? Your religion is following me. Bloody bastard. What kind of knowledge you have? What knowledge you have gained? Tell me. All these years. What knowledge you have? Do you have any knowledge about Islam, about Christianity, about Judaism, about Sikhism, about Hinduism? Nothing. You are just bloody sand, stone. All the oil's been extracted from it and it's been thrown into the nature. That is what you are meant for. See your attitude right now. We are trying to find out the solution. They are not ready to yield. They are not ready to move away and let the testing happen. Your science is asking you to please move away. We are going to We are going to test the things around. No, you cannot do that. You cannot do that. This is what they are ordering. They are ordering nature. They are ordering God. Who these are? Bloody bastard, you are a foolish, unknowledgeable, ill-mannered, ill-brained. You are a rustic. You don't have any knowledge. You are illiterate. I know what schooling you have, what school you have been through. The education was as good as nothing. There was no moral education as such. I'm sorry to say that. I have read in very good schools. But the school that you have come out through, and which I was in for a few years, 4 years I guess, 4 or 3 years, it was not it was very pathetic experience. There was no moral education, no value education, nothing. It was just you have to crack this engineering and medical exams, this IIT and this. This is not the social moral value that's inculcated in the students. I have studied in very nice good schools earlier. I know what school education is about. So this, you see the breed of students, majorly the breed of students who don't have their, the inbuilt, by default, they are not cultured, their families not cultured them. And that ignorant mullah. Education is only the top of the personality, that comes on the top of the personality. Education is basically that comes from within, your sense, your sensitivities, your knowledge, your logics, your ethics, and then comes the family values, and then comes the education part. What you have done, what you have learned all these years. After this schooling, this pathetic schooling, the dubious school personality schooling, and then going to some, I don't know what, private college or something, and thrown into the MNCs, I don't know which company, some mullah company hired. What exposure these have to religion, to education, to society, to values? Nothing. And they try to teach world. No, but my data has been compromised all these years, and I was the fortunate one to have this, grab that part of data that I could have done, that I have done, and people have been playing with my data. Nobody has played with your data. Move away. There are plenty of people whose data can be played with. Your Lord. He's one of them. Nobody has played with him. Nobody has tried to play him. Nobody can play with him. Not even Chuttad. Even if she tries to grab him, he will not be available. What is your education base? Tell me. What are you? What do you think of yourself? This happens when a bunch of private colleges, they are mushrooming and taking these morons, bastards in education sector and giving them what shit knowledge, what careers they have achieved. They only know the expenses, the cars, this cars I'm having, my data has been played with. Why the fuck you are standing naked? Why the hell you are standing naked? That too, you cannot take responsibility. Okay, this has been done with me. I'm compromising with everybody's data. I'm playing out with everybody's data. Be it A, B, name it, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Y. P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So from A to Z, all the people's data have been played upon with. And saying that my is becoming expensive for me. Don't bloat yourself. Don't balloon yourself up that this was an ass grabbing part, that ass seeing part. You are not the only one. Let me tell you, you are not the only one. There are plenty of people who have been the ass watchers, including your Lord. Including your Lord. You got it? I was first to sit on my dad's lap. He was first to watch my ass. Let me be so rough. Let me be so simple, plain. He was the first one to watch my ass naked in toilet. Now tell me. By mistake. Tell me. He's a bloody ass grabber. He thought I got grab the ass. Now it's becoming expensive for people. How much expenses you are incurring, how much you have incurred. Just calculate and see your profits that you have earned, that you have gained. I don't actually care about my ass. It's my mom, dad, my bro, anyone. I don't give a fuck. Why this bloody asshole, this bloody animal is giving himself so much importance. He's giving herself. He spotted himself as herself. I lost her Gmail. And then she said, this bitch said, yo, sell your oil, oil sell, and I give you my Gmail, bloody fucked up ass. You know what? Control your behavior. I'll cut you out, chop you into pieces and throw you into gutter. That's what has been done to you. And the media has been pampering. Oh, the ass watcher. Is he white? White. What white you're talking about? What white you're talking about? Tell me. What white? What white you are talking about? Tell me. So ass grabber is like it's nullified as a null and void. Ass watcher and ass grabber is nullified. Okay, done it. Now we come to the white portion of it. White. I didn't play with my bro, my sis, my cousins. Are you sure you didn't play with you or didn't see your cousin or anything like that? I don't know. I mean, I didn't get the news actually. You didn't watch your cousins or anything else like that. And you know you have been taking births and rebirths and rebirths and rebirths. It's been like, sorry, it's very cold. At times I get coughing. I have this coughing issues. Okay, now, so it's not your just single birth that you have taken and you're living and sitting in a place. You have instilled yourself in a photograph. This photograph you got is yourself instilled. You got yourself instilled into the photograph. But that doesn't mean that you are white. You're claimed white. I just take the segregated filtered white and then I eat this filtered black and I'm in between. You're taken so many births, rebirths, this, that. This birth you have taken, you have got this birth to what? To pay off your sins, previous sins that you're paying. It's a sinful birth that you have taken. This is the birth you have taken. They're paying for your sins. Maybe you have married your sisters, your cousins. You have done everything with your families and in your earlier births. You're still doing it. You have been doing it all the time. You know what comes in between. You see this. What do you think? Do you see? I'm pure white. I'm pure black. I'm getting filtered. You're getting nothing. It all shows on your desires, your greed, your ambitions, your lust. This shows what is lacking in you. This shows what is lacking in you. You don't have it. And you can never fulfill it. काम नहीं आता है, हम सीखेंगे नहीं, काम सीखेंगे नहीं, हम काम सीखेंगे ही नहीं आता है, सीखो. कोई बता रहा है तो सीखो, हम नहीं सीखेंगे. माई मॉम यूज्ड टू स्कूल मी इन माई स्कूल डेज। आई टू से मेरे को नहीं सीखना, मेरे को मत बताओ क्या करना है, बट अल्टीमेटली यू नो इट्स ऑल अबाउट चरित्र चित्रण, व्हाट कम्स इन द एंड, all is well that goes well, that ends well। तो वेलनेस जो है अभी कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है, कौन प्योर वाइट है, कौन ब्लैक है, कौन ग्रीन है, कौन चॉकलेट है, कोई कुछ नहीं है। ये आप में दिखाता है आप में कितना लालच भरा है, कितने आप में स्टबर्न भरा है, स्टबर्ननेस भरा है, कितने, हाउ मच यू आर lustful, how much you are desperate, how much you are crazy, how much you are egoistic. Your ego is again a negative character of yours. Your ego is another negative character of yours. I'm not trying to be a vampire. I'm not trying to play a vampire. I'm just trying to see myself, how I look on the camera and the video recording. How I look here. मैं ठहरा रहा, ज़मीं चलने लगी, धड़का है दिल, सांस चलने लगी। क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है। सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये है क्यों पिघलने लगा। मैं ठहरी रही, ज़मीं चलने लगी। काम नहीं आता तो सीखो, नहीं आता सीखो, बदलो, नहीं बदले कौन से वाइट कौन से ब्लैक, व्हाट यू आर ईटिंग, चेक इट आउट। दूसरों को ब्लेम करना बंद करो। दुनिया में क्योस बढ़ा रहे हैं, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, आप रिसर्च नहीं कर सकते, आप टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, हम सबके बाप बैठे ले। आई एम एस वॉचर, आई एम एन एस ग्रैबर, सॉरी योर डैड हैज बीटन यू इन दैट रेस फर्स्ट, माई डैड। अच्छा नहीं लगता बोलने में, बट तुम जैसे कुत्ते मेरा एस यो डूइंग दी एस वॉचिंग इज बेटर, माई डैड डज इट। Okay, people, see you, bye bye.